So we're going to create a new format and a new show starting next week. And the new show is called The Power of Your Voice. And so one of the processes in the creation frequency is to use the power of your voice to, one, write, which is another way of using your voice. Writing is another form of using your voice. But write these powerful intentions for what you truly desire in your life, but as it already exists. So there is no time and space between what you really want to be, who you want to become, and what you want to have in your life. We eliminate that and we write a powerful intention as if it already exists, because once you can see it and once you can feel it, it does already exist in the field of infinite possibilities in the unseen world. Now, the next trick is to manifest it into our physical reality. And based on what we're trying to manifest, based on the emotion that we link to it with service to others being a very high emotion, contribution to others being a very high emotion, love, of course, is an amazing high emotion to manifest, then we can bring it into our physical reality sooner. So that's why I want to really get into the power of your voice and how you can manifest a much better life.